Alright everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today worked on several things. Started out with demoing this pipe that was coming through the wall, which there was a junction box right up here in the ceiling right here. So I went ahead and took that out. Steven helped me turn off the circuit, double checked it was the right circuit, disconnected it, and then just took out all the old wire, all the old pipes, the old junction box, the old switch that was hot through the wall right there. I had my apprentice demo some stuff. I demoed some stuff. It just went from that other room through this room. I cut it back all the way out into the future hallway, which is right here. So I just ended that, and then it also goes across the hallway to the ped flex. So I took the wire out of there. So I took out all the wire. There's still a little bit more wire to go back to the outside the containment, but I'll worry about that later. I don't even know who they are. The mechanical guys totally screwed us and ripped off my box and put their pipe right there. So I had to totally rewire this box, remount the box, get a different box support. It just really pissed me off, and I had to spend like the last hour and a half just fixing this, and it was a giant pain in the butt. So that was very fun and made my day angry. Made me angry at the end of the day. But anyways, if that happens again, there's going to be a price to pay. That's all I'm going to say. But anyways, I got it fixed, got the pipe, everything done except remounting the pipe, because if I suck the pipe to the box, or if I strap the pipe to the spreader bar, it's going to suck the box out, and then the outlet's going to be like out of the sheetrock. So anyways, I had my apprentice working on some stuff, mounting these switch boxes, doing some stubs out of the wall. We'll connect to that later. Had him pull up this flex that was falling down the wall for the fire alarm. Had him working on this switch box over here, mounting this switch box right here. I put some of the connectors in. He mounted the box, put on the stud on top of the stud, because that was the only thing we had, and we didn't have any spreader bars, or I mean any bracket boxes or anything like that. And went ahead this morning and added some flex down here. They wanted another grand slam box right here, so added that, added 2 more 3/4 flexes, and over the last few days went ahead and strapped all of these flexes with a spreader bar, put a spreader bar above each one of these to strap it down. And they also added these other 2 grand slam boxes, one right there, and put the extra spare pipes in there, and took the other 2 spare pipes and put them in this grand slam box right here. We were originally just gonna leave these flexes in the wall, but we put them in that box. Here are the can lights that I've been trying to show you guys. Those ones right there and these ones right here. Basically screwed everything together. Did some temporary tape right there, but anyways, shot screws through everything to the stud, through the brackets, so it'll never move. I hate can lights. It's my least favorite thing, but anyways, went ahead and got that done. Like you saw, I prefabbed it up and then just lifted them up there and screwed them in with my apprentice. So that was nice that he could help me out because they're a pain. Anyways, here is a little tour of the new ped flex. As you can see, all the boxes on the wall. Not sure what's going on in this room right here, but clearly not finished. But anyways, the guys have been mounting tons and tons of boxes in here, piping out of the hard lid ceilings. As you can see, got some of these nurse call boxes right here. This one I think still needs a pipe out, but just getting everything out of hard lid ceilings. I'm not sure how much of this is going to be drop ceiling, but for the stuff that's hard lid, we're just taking and piping out into the hallway to get access to that in the future, so we're not screwed. Anyways, that's what another guy was working on, piping out of these boxes. I think that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys all have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I'd appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace.